Hello guys, today we are taking the topic inverse trigo again, but right now we are taking the questions in which we evaluate the inverse functions and we will get the values of the given inverse functions. Just like we are taking this question. So remember this, for solving these inverse questions we will use the theorems which we have discussed in previous classes, all the 13-14 theorems. We will use that. So on using those theorems, we will simplify this and we'll get the answer. So right now we have a question, sine cos inverse 3 by 5. So let us consider this inverse cos inverse 3 by 5 as theta, and theta lie between 0 to pi because it is cos inverse. Right now cos theta is 3 by 5 and cos theta according to trigo it is b over h. So we will uh, draw a triangle, a right triangle in which base and hypotenuse are 3 and 5 like this. So we will collect the perpendicular. So BC is 3, AB is 5 and AC will be under root 5 square minus 3 square, that is 4. So it is 4 right now. It means sine of cos inverse this, and cos inverse 3 by 5 we consider it as theta. So it means we can put theta on the place of cos inverse, it becomes sine theta. So it is theta cos inverse 3 by 5 is theta, and we put this value in this bracket, so it becomes sine theta, and sine theta will be perpendicular over hypotenuse, so it is 4 by 5. That is sine of cos inverse 3 by 5 is 4 by 5. This is the answer. Now the next evaluation is evaluate sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus half. So as we know this, sine inverse of any negative value is minus of sine inverse x. So we use this theorem at this place, and this is the sine inverse of negative number. It means we get minus of sine inverse of this value half. So we can write sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse half. So it becomes positive sine of pi by 3 plus sine inverse half, and the value of half in terms of sine will be sine pi by 6. So sine pi by 6 is half. So we put this value half sine pi by 6, and according to theorem sine inverse of sine theta equals to theta. So we get only pi by 6. So sine of pi by 3 plus pi by 6, and this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree, we get 90 degrees. Sine 90 is 1. So this is the answer. Now evaluate this value. So according to this inverse part, let us consider cos inverse 4 by 5 as theta, and theta should lie between 0 to pi. It means cos theta is 4 by 5. When you draw a triangle in which base is 4 and hypotenuse is 5 and this angle is theta, so according to this we get the perpendicular, then perpendicular equals to under root hypotenuse square minus base square. So we get 5 square minus 4 square, we get 3. So this value becomes 3. Right now we put sine half, and this is the theta, so it is theta, so we get sine theta by 2. And according to this, we have formula cos theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So sin theta by 2 equals to, so it is under root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. So we put the value of cos theta, that is 4 by 5. So this becomes under root of 1 minus cos theta value, that is 4 by 5, divided by 2. 1 over root 5, and this is 2, so it is root 10. So this is the answer of this inverse. When you evaluate this value, sine of half cos inverse 4 by 5, so its value is 1 over root 10. Now evaluate sine of twice cos inverse 3 by 5. Kind of question. Similar way we can solve this question. Let cos inverse 3 by 5 as theta, and theta belongs to 0 to pi. It means cos theta is 3 by 5. So draw the triangle, right angle triangle, in which base is 3 and hypotenuse is 5, and this angle is theta. That means when you collect the perpendicular, that becomes h square minus b square, and we get the value 5 square minus 3 square, so it is 16. Root 16 is 4, so perpendicular is 4. So it is cos inverse 3 by 5 is theta. It means this becomes sine to theta, that is 2 sine theta cos theta. So we can place the values. We have the value of cos theta, we want the value of sine theta. So sine theta will be under root 1 minus cos square theta. So it is 2 under root 1 minus cos square theta into cos theta. We put the value, cos theta is 3 by 5. So it is 9 by 25, and this is 3 by 5. So it is 2 into 16 over this, it means 4 by 5, and it is 3 by 5. It means we get 24 over 25. So answer of this sine of 2 cos inverse 3 by 5 is 24 by 25. This is the answer. Now next question, evaluate cos of sine inverse 3 by 5 plus sine inverse 5 over 13. So right now we have two different sine inverse. So we consider two angles, just like this angle is theta angle and it is phi. So let us consider, let sine inverse 3 by 5 is theta and sine inverse 5/13 as angle phi. It means sin theta is 3/5 and sin phi is 5/13. So draw a triangle in which, according to sine definition, it is perpendicular over hypotenuse. It means this base becomes 5 square minus 3 square, we get 4. So it is 4. Right now we can collect the value of cos theta, that is 4/5. So we have the value of cos theta and sin theta. And in case of sin phi, the triangle according to P/H, so it is 5 and this is 13 and this angle is phi angle, so it becomes base will be 13 square minus 5 square, so we get 12. So it is 12. Right now we can collect the value of cos phi. So cos phi is B/H, we get 12/13. And the sine value is this. So it is theta, sine inverse, this is theta, and sine inverse 5/13 is phi. It means cos sine inverse 3/5 plus sine inverse 5/13, and it is theta and this is phi. It means this is cos theta plus phi, and the formula of this is cos theta cos phi minus sin theta and sin phi. So it is cos theta value is 4/5, cos phi is 12/13 minus sin theta, and it is 5/13. So LCM is 65, it is 48 minus 15, so we get 33/65. This is the answer of this expression. So next question, that is evaluate tan inverse of twice cos of twice sin inverse half. So right now we consider sin inverse half, tan inverse, this is 2 cos twice of sin inverse half, and half in terms of sin is sin pi by 6. So it is sin pi by 6, that value is half, we put it here, that is sin pi by 6. And sin inverse of sin theta is theta by theorems. So it becomes tan inverse of twice of cos, and it is 2 into pi by 6. So we get pi by 3. This is tan inverse of 2 cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is cos 60, and we know the value of cos pi by 3, that is half. So we put this value in cos pi by 3. So it is tan inverse 2 into half, that is cancel out this, we get tan inverse half 1. So it is 1, and 10 45, or you can say 10 pi by 4 is 1. It means tan inverse 10 pi by 4, and by theorems tan inverse of tan theta is theta. So it means this is the answer. Now the next question, that is, prove that tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 3 by 5 minus tan inverse 8 by 19 equals to pi by 4. So right now we pair any two. Right now we are taking this. So we have the formula, or you can say theorem, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy. So we apply this in these two. So it becomes tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5 over 1 minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 5. So right now we solve this. LCM is 20. So right now on simplify this, 20 cancel out, this becomes 27, and there is 11, and this is tan inverse 8 by 19. So right now you have the difference of 2 tan inverse, and according to the theorem, when we have tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, then we use tan inverse x minus y over 1 plus xy. So it becomes tan inverse 27 over 11 minus 8 over 19. It is 1 over 1 plus 27 over 11 into 8 by 19. So it becomes tan inverse, on taking LCM will be cancelled out. That becomes 425 divided by 425, and this is divided by 11 into 19. 11 into 19. So it is tan inverse 1, that is tan inverse of 10 pi by 4. So finally we get pi by 4 as answer.